Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about how to speed bridge. Crouch and then move a little back and then do like this. You get locked to the block, thus you cannot fall down if you crouch. I am speed bridging so fast that I even reached the blue bed. But they defended it. So I know what to do. Just fall and then oh no. They defeated me, but I will try again. First collect wool, then first collect the coal, then buy the wool, and then rush to their base. I need to defend my bed also. I will put so much wool that he will get confused. He will be surprised at how am I doing this. Okay, so now time to destroy their bed. They both are looking at me. How am I supposed to? I have an idea. They are fighting me. It is very hard. Okay, goodbye guys.